my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how I made these hair clips, that hair clip, and I made this one with a ball, an eyeball, and a spider, because I like spiders in my hair. That's totally not a quote from The Nightmare Before Christmas. This is Halloween now. Anyways, I'm going to show you how I made these hair clips, and without further ado, let's get started. You know how I made these hair clips. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and I'm assuming you do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, since I make videos twice a week this month, and I would love to have you here for every single one of them. Don't forget to click the notification bell, because YouTube sucks and doesn't always put my videos into your sub boxes. Don't forget to creep it real with me, and I will see you in another video. Bye!